Last few days, there are incidents which are disturbing all of us. To check that menace of coercive and inhuman recovery, government is making its effort, and to bring total normalcy and also give power to police and other departments to check this inhuman style of recovery. We have prepared the bill. The draft bill was discussed in the cabinet, and it needed some finer touches. Then Chief Minister desired that there will be a meeting again at 4 o'clock. We all sat, we discussed again, and now that discussion is over, 4 officers are asked to incorporate some of the things what we discussed and also additional points and improvise some clauses. That exercise is going on. Maybe by tomorrow evening the exercise may be complete, and by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the further action will perhaps happen. Anyway, Chief Minister is empowered, he is authorized to take a final decision as regards the bill is concerned, and that will be perhaps day after tomorrow.